Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture ideas and other small woodworking projects ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Small woodworking projects also promote creativity and experimentation. With less pressure associated with large-scale designs, woodworkers can freely explore different styles, techniques, and finishes. This freedom allows for greater artistic expression, enabling individuals to push the boundaries of their creativity. Whether crafting a unique decorative item, a functional piece, or a personalized gift, the versatility inherent in small projects encourages woodworkers to hone their skills while exploring new ideas. This process of experimentation can lead to innovative designs that might not emerge in larger, more structured projects. In addition to fostering creativity, small woodworking projects can be incredibly practical. They provide an opportunity to create functional items that enhance everyday life. From small shelves and organizers to coasters and picture frames, these projects can serve various purposes in the home. By focusing on smaller pieces, woodworkers can address specific needs or challenges within their living spaces, making their environments more organized and aesthetically pleasing. The practicality of small projects often translates to increased usability, allowing individuals to create items that genuinely enhance their daily routines. Cost-effectiveness is another compelling reason to focus on small woodworking projects. Larger furniture pieces typically require more materials and often involve higher expenses, including tools, hardware, and finishes. In contrast, smaller projects demand fewer resources, making them more budget-friendly. Additionally, smaller projects can utilize leftover wood or scraps from previous works, promoting sustainability and minimizing waste. This ability to work with limited materials not only reduces costs, but also encourages resourcefulness, allowing woodworkers to maximize their creativity without breaking the bank. The economic benefits extend beyond initial costs. Small woodworking projects can also yield financial returns. As individuals gain skills and confidence, they may choose to sell their creations, whether through local craft fairs, online marketplaces, or social media platforms. The demand for handmade, unique items has grown significantly, providing opportunities for woodworkers to turn their hobbies into profitable ventures. This entrepreneurial aspect of woodworking can be particularly rewarding, allowing individuals to earn income while pursuing their passions. Moreover, small woodworking projects can be highly rewarding in terms of personal satisfaction. The sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a project, regardless of its size, can boost self-esteem and foster a sense of pride in one's abilities. This emotional reward is particularly significant for those who may struggle with self-doubt or anxiety. The act of creating something tangible with one's hands can serve as a powerful outlet for personal expression and fulfillment, providing a sense of purpose and achievement. Engaging in small woodworking projects also encourages mindfulness and relaxation. The process of working with wood requires focus and attention, allowing individuals to immerse themselves fully in the task at hand. This immersion can create a meditative experience, helping to alleviate stress and promote mental well-being. The tactile nature of woodworking, combined with the satisfaction of creating, can provide a therapeutic escape from the demands of everyday life. As individuals engage in the craft, they may find that their worries fade away, replaced by a sense of calm and contentment. Another significant advantage of focusing on small woodworking projects is the opportunity for skill development. These projects often involve various techniques and tools, allowing individuals to refine their abilities over time. As woodworkers repeat certain tasks, they build muscle memory and improve their craftsmanship. This continuous improvement can lead to greater proficiency in woodworking, encouraging individuals to tackle increasingly complex designs as they progress. The skills acquired through small projects can serve as a foundation for future endeavors, enabling woodworkers to expand their repertoire and take on larger challenges. Additionally, small woodworking projects can foster a sense of community and connection. Many woodworkers find joy in sharing their creations with others, whether through social media, local workshops, or community events. This sharing of ideas, techniques, and experiences can create a supportive network of fellow woodworkers who inspire and motivate one another. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals can enhance the overall experience of woodworking, providing a sense of belonging and camaraderie that enriches the craft. Exploring small woodworking projects can also lead to a greater appreciation for craftsmanship and quality. In a world increasingly dominated by mass-produced items, the value of handmade goods is often overlooked. By creating small, unique pieces, woodworkers contribute to a culture that celebrates artistry and skill. This emphasis on craftsmanship encourages individuals to prioritize quality over quantity, fostering a mindset that values the effort and dedication involved in creating something by hand. As woodworkers develop their skills, they may find themselves drawn to more intricate designs and techniques, further deepening their appreciation for the craft. Furthermore, small woodworking projects can serve as meaningful gifts for friends and family. Handmade items carry a personal touch that store-bought gifts often lack, making them special and memorable. Whether it's a custom photo frame, a decorative box, or a unique piece of art, these creations can convey thoughtfulness and care. The act of giving something handmade not only strengthens relationships, but also allows the creator to share their passion and creativity with others, fostering a sense of connection and love. The versatility of small woodworking projects is another appealing aspect. These projects can be tailored to fit various styles and themes, allowing individuals to create decor that complements their existing furnishings. For instance, a rustic wooden shelf can enhance a farmhouse-style kitchen, while a sleek, modern planter can elevate a contemporary living room. This adaptability ensures that small projects can seamlessly integrate into any home decor scheme, providing a cohesive look that enhances the overall aesthetic. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture ideas and other small woodworking projects ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.